Listen up. Dub ones in our right. Listen up. Listen. Good job, people. Listen. Oh. Listen. Now the dance start. Watch it, man. Now it begin. Come in, Sash. Warrior business. On the real deal, you know? Step up. Income. Comfy double job, people. Listen now. Yes. Yes, I am. TNT Roads, Earthquake Studio, Raw. As well as the song into to Ital Power. See where it come, verse 2, to make you feel free. Free as you want to be. Free. Come in here. Oh. Listen, yeah. Listen when you speak. Yes, I, righteous word now utter. Listen when Rasta speak. You never hear the words what I and John. Listen when we speak. You know I listen to the kings of kings and the lords of lords. You listen when Jah speak. You never listen when Marcus Garvey speak. You see you over there, your skin of your teeth. But me want you know this, listen when me speak. Righteousness me a utter, and the right words me a speak. When me write from a song, it's a meditation. Be careful what you write, be careful what you speak. Because it's the righteous words me a utter. Rastafari matter, listen when you speak. You better know. And I walk me a talk and I preach me a preach. Me tell them to listen when you speak. You never hear the words of Marcus Garvey. I shut up through the word. Listen when him speak. I Benjamin on the mic. And me have to chant and me have to speak. So I want you to listen when me speak. In order. I am an order. Ital Power. Rastaman order. Listen when me speak.
This one Ital Power. Jah love and Jah blessing to all inside. Where do you come from near? Where do you come from far? Coulda come by bus or expensive car. Let the Lord God Jah be your guiding star, you know? Remember, May the 17th, King Majesty, Roots Injection. Brookhouse, Hayes, you know. One Love Gregory Fabulous inside. It nasty, you know. It dread.